Hi guys, welcome to the third lecture of Module 7 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture we'll be talking about callout. Callout tools are basically used to highlight some sections, particularly in a big project with visualize. You can't change all the details and then to highlight it. That is why callout tools are. So to get the callout tools, we go on view and then we have two options in callout. One is the rectangle and one is the sketch. We can make it, if we need a regular shape like rectangle, we can use this option. First we'll be using this option and then this you can grab and see boundaries will be. So if you need to change the thickness of the boundary, you can just add the handle so that you can cover all the where it is in this washroom. So if you need to see this washroom separately, then you can see another level is created, callout one. Just double click on that. Callout to the region inside the boundary is selected. I just turned off and you can see this all details. Turn on the thickness in the option. Line switch and easy to check. So this is the callout, rectangular callout. You just double click on that, you can see a pink line option, pink line, pink boundary here. So that is the boundary of the callout. You can just if you need to do this or make some change, just click on that and make this, and you can use some tools which are there. You can make use of those. Just click and just drag wherever you can. But make sure it's a closed loop. Once it's done, just press finish edit and you can see a new callout. And once you go to callout, you can see the new callout. But if you don't have a closed loop, if I delete this, then it cannot not a closed loop. If I click on finish now you can see a warning message. So to avoid that, don't press quit sketching. If you press quit sketching, all this boundary will get deleted. So just press continue and just finish it. So this you can make any kind of boundaries. You'll get the same option here like that. You just need to draw the boundaries however you need. Then just make sure the close boundary. Then now you can just see the thickness or the dimension of these, but by just dragging it and down however you need. So it's all about